Hello, welcome back to another devlog video, and in this video, or this will actually be the first devlog video, but I am gonna be showing you like the development of a completely new game which I'm doing right now, and I have literally just started. I think I started like 3 days ago, and I have not really worked with Unity, so this is a completely new experience, and I thought it would be kind of interesting to some of you guys if I could share it. So I'm gonna be jumping right into the devlog. Actually, before that, I will be talking a little bit about the game and what it is. It's a game where you run an airport and you have an economy, and you want the economy to go as well as possible or as good as possible. So you compete against other airports, and the airport with the lowest economy or the worst economy, after 2 minutes has passed, it gets dropped. So there will eventually only be one airport standing, and that's hopefully you if you have completed or made the game correct. So that's the core concept that we're going to be working with. So starting the day off, I really wanted to make some work on the shop, because I wanted the shop to be as smooth as possible, and I actually wanted to work. So I spent a little bit more time maybe that I needed, but I really got the core concepts and the core ideas and the core goals really completed. So it was awesome for me. So after testing and seeing that it really worked, I had some bugs, like for example you can go as far as possible, and I had some problems because you couldn't really buy it yet, so I had to implement that. I ran it and it worked, surprisingly enough. I didn't actually think it would run, but it did. But it seemed to have some like small issues with the plane. For example, it got stuck and then just disappeared, and the animation wasn't really completed. And that turned out to be a really small bug that I ended up wasting an hour on fixing, or searching for, I would say. And after that task completed, I just really fixed a small issue with the buy menu and the money. So the buy menu is now actually fully working with the money handling and all of that, so it's great for me. And after that session, it was time for me to eat and go for the day. So that was pretty much all I did in the first devlog. If you want more of these kind of devlog videos, I would really recommend liking, because that really means a lot, and maybe leave a comment as well if you want more. And also at the very end, I just really wanted to thank my friend which has been doing or modeling a lot of props for this game, or will be modeling, like the planes and etc. Really big thanks to him, and if you want to join the project, please contact my email address, because I'm really looking forward to create a bigger team developing this game. Thank you.